Hi guys, welcome to your 20th tutorial on PHP, and in here we're looking at the for loop, okay? So this is our condition, okay? This is our for loop itself. So we've initialized the variable I to 0. We're saying the variable I is less than 12, which it is, and then we're going to increment it as we go through this condition, okay? So that means we add 1 onto it every time, okay? So this is what you're going to get, okay? It's going to run that 12 times, so whatever it is, 11 times. Now, if I change the condition to 8, 8 is less than 12, and we're going to increment it again. So how many times are you going to get this time? There we go, 4. Okay, so that's simple enough. That's how we increment the condition. So there's our condition, we set it. It's less than this. There's our assignment, sorry. There's condition, and there's an incremented. Okay, and it'll keep going through this as long as this condition is true. Alright, thanks for joining me this one, guys. Catch you in the next one. See you then. Bye bye.